Alright, today we're going to take a look at the free lookup table inspired by Portra 400 film. Then we're going to jump into the complete collection and check out some pro lookup tables. Today we're using a Photoshop for our demo. We've loaded in the color lookup here, and this is our free one. Here's before and here's after. Before, after, really beautiful color in this lookup table. You can see that we already have green in our photo, but it just adds that nice contrast and color. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try it. And now we can go to our pro collection. I'm going to go to color lookup, load 3D LUT. And here we have our Kodak inspired lookup tables. And let's try this one right here. There we go. Let's try a Portra 800. Really nice. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for our free version of this lookup table inspired by Portra 400. And I'll also put a link to our complete pro collection. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.